Hello, let's do the New York Times Hard Sudoku for August 16th, 2024. There's a link in the description if you'd like to try the puzzle yourself, and I'm going to get started right now. All right, 7 and 9. We do have two 9s here, so it puts a 9 in one of these two. Just with a glance down, I am noticing these two 7s and these two 2s, so let's just take care of that as well. 8, 5, let's see. 5, unfortunately, this 5 doesn't... Well, actually, no. This 5 is good. So it's a crossing on this 4, 1. I was thinking about going through here, but actually we're going through here. This 5 goes through here, and this 5 helps. So that puts a 5 in one of these two cells. That's going to point into this box along with this 5, putting a 5 in one of these two. And I think it's worth mentioning again that if you're unsure about some of the terminology or techniques or strategies that I use, there is a video in the description called Everything You Need to Know to Solve New York Times Sudoku. It's a little over an hour long, and I go in great depth in detail on, while I solve one of these puzzles, on how those techniques work. And it was a very good puzzle for that because it contained almost everything. All right, so I also see this one and this one, but that's not good enough. Okay. Is there anything else to see here? Does the fact that these aren't 5, I don't think that does anything immediately. Let's move on. First thing I'm looking at is this 1, 4, 6, which has to go in 4 cells. Unfortunately, there isn't a single cell that can't be 1, 4, 6. So the 4, though, I mean, we do have the buddy. So the buddy tells us that 4 is in one of these two. The 6s look into here, putting a 6 in one of these two. Okay. So looking at the 1 there. 3 and 6. This 9 could have been interesting, but it's not. 2 and 3. So the kind of corollary to this 1, 4, 6 is this 2 and 3 looking in here. But there are 3 places for 2, 3, so I'm not going to mark that. Okay. Oh, I just noticed there's 4 8s looking at this box. Since I see it, I might as well do it. Places the 8 there. I'm trying to see if there's anything with this box that I can do, because it's got 4 givens in it. But I'm really not seeing anything. All right, I guess I'll just move on. Not finding a whole lot yet. 3 and 8, we do have... Okay, the 8s are done. 2 2s here. Puts a 2 somewhere up here. Oops, not all 3 of them. 9, 7... I want a crossing on this 3, 8, but it would just be a 5, and we don't have that. Nothing looks through here. What about 2, 5, 8? No. Worth a shot. What's the corollary there? I don't know. We've got a 1. Oh, sorry, 2, 5, 8. I don't know why I clicked here. 2, 5, 8 would go here. Well, that was weird. But yeah, the 1 looking down doesn't really help me. Okay, I'm really not seeing much going on here. Let's do the verticals, the stacks. 3 and 8, 1, 4, 6. Really nothing to see there. 1, 3. Ah, yes, here we go. So I saw this because I was focused down here on this 3, 8. The 1, 3, 4, 8 looking into this box does limit them here. So that is a hidden quad, but the corollary there is this 7, 9, which I really should have seen this earlier, but I didn't. So this column still needs 7 and 9. They can't go here, and they can't go here. So 7 and 9 have only 2 cells left, so that's a hidden pair in the column. So these 2 cells can only be 7, 9. They can't be anything else, so this isn't a 2. So now that's going to leave a triple behind here. We know that 5 is involved in that triple because of our corner marks, and so this is the only place we can put 5 for the column, so we can place that. Even though there's another place in the box, there's only one place in the column. The column needs a 5. There's nowhere else it can go because of this hidden 7, 9 pair. And then also because of these pointing 5s we found, so that's quite nice. And then this is a pair. We do need a 2. We have 3, 4, 5. We need a 6. 2 and 6 pair. Okay, so 6 ends up here. 2, 3. Let's see, what can I do here? Oh, right. So when I was looking at this 1, 3, 4, 8, I did notice we also had this 1, 4, 8 here. So this is a naked 3. We can just confirm it's not 1. It's not 2 because we have this 2-6 pair here. So it's not 2. We're saying it is a 3. It's not 4 or 5. It's not 6 because of the 2-6 pair. It's not 7, 8, or 9. So it is a naked 3. And I saw that via the fact that we need to place 1, 3, 4, 8 still in this box, and this sees 1, 4, 8, so it has to be a 3. And so we're left with 1, 4, 8 in the remaining cells. Lots of ways to go about the same thing, which is always nice, and they always get the same answer as each other because it is logically correct to do. All right, and there is only one solution to Sudokus, at least correctly crafted Sudokus. Let's see. So we got this 5 and 3. The 5 we already kind of knew about. The 3, though, is there anything I can do with that? Unfortunately, I don't see anything. What about look? So I guess there is a 3. Oh, the 3 is placed in this box. This 3 looks down. This 3 looks in. That's nice. And that actually helps the 2s a lot. Remember that we needed to fit 2, 3 into these cells. Now 2 is limited to these 2. And so that points down, removing that corner mark 2, leaving just this one. So that's a 2 for this box. I'm wondering... the 9 looking down puts a 9 in one of these 2. That does point. Tell me that does something. It doesn't seem to do anything right now. But this cell here is avoiding quite a few digits. It's not 1, 2, 3, 4. It could be 5, 7, 8. 5, 7, 8. That's it. It's not 9. Okay. Not as limited as I thought, but still I'll leave that marking in. Anything else to follow up on there? I might go on to the next stack here. Yeah, let's do it. Let's do this stack here. The 2s we got, the 7s we got, the 8s are done. So there's really not much to see there. So anything limited that I might want to look at? 2, 4. Oh, you know what? I didn't check this row. It's down to 3 digits. What are they? The 2, 2, 6, 9. Okay, this can't be 2. This can't be 6 or 9. So this is a naked single 2. And then we're left with a 6, 9 pair here. Nice. All right. These 2 2s look into here. This 2 also helps, putting a 2 here. One of these 2. Anything else of note here? We already have this 5. Just thinking about how these digits are affecting things. Maybe I should think about this box, just what's left in it. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. The 2 and the 4 do not go here. So 1, 3, 7, I suppose. This can't be 2, 7. So this is 1, 3, or what is it? 1, 2, 1, 3, 4. Yeah, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 was the box. These aren't 7, so these are 1, 2, 3, 4. All of those, though. Okay. Don't know that there's more to find there. Still want this box to do something, but I'm not seeing it. All right. How about this stack here? I'm not sure there's much. 2, 5, and 8. We have the 2s marked. 5s are marked. 8, 3, 6. Okay. Not seeing anything with this stack at all that I haven't already marked. Is there any... Okay, I'm going to go through, make sure I'm respecting all the corner marks that I made, any pairs or triples that may affect things. This is almost useful. Like if this wasn't... I guess not really. 1, 3, 4, 8. Yeah, if this wasn't 7, we'd have a 1, 3, 4, 8 quad, but we don't. Are 2 and 6 limited? 2. No. 2's in 2 places. Darn it. Thought I saw something. This 6, 9, though. Nah. Unfortunate. All right, I'm not seeing anything with that. Fives, nines, and twos. I remember both of those pointed. This two got placed. Do the nines really not do anything useful? I don't think so. Okay. Fours pointing, twos pointing. None of that's helpful. The sixes. Yeah, I don't have all that much marked. Okay, so what did I miss? Probably some kind of geometry. Is it to do with this box? Whenever I have something like this, it's always points to something going on. Usually. At least it's good to look. I mean, I got the 2 and the 9 this way. 3, 6. Yeah, I don't know what to do with that. Maybe I should look at this column here. We need 1, 4, 5, 8, 9. That's a lot. 1, 4, 5, 8, 9. This can't be 1, 4. So this is 5, 8, 9. Two and 8. Yeah, just not seeing it. There must be like a naked single that I haven't seen. I don't know. I just should be on the lookout for. So the things that generally I would miss in a pass like this is sometimes just geometry. Just I have to look at it a bunch of times before I notice it. Getting better at noticing it, but I'm not perfect. Naked singles, if it's like not in a restricted row, column, or box, but it just happens to see a whole lot of digits, that can be tough to see. Like this one here, right? The thing that I'm seeing about this cell is we have 1, 3, and 6 in the row, and the row does not have 1, 3, 6 yet. So what can this be? Can't be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, it's a naked 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's a naked 9. That's 6 and 9. Okay, does that help me? That puts a 9 in one of these two. Does the 6 do anything? This row is done. I don't think the 6 does anything we didn't already know about. It does make this 1, 3, 4, and this top one's not a 3. This box, we need 1, 3, 6. I missed something. 1, 3, 5, 6. So these are 1, 3, 5. Oh, and this can't be 1, 3. So this can't be 1, 3, or 6. Because of the 6 here. Yeah, so that's the 5. And these can't be 3, so that's our 3. Very nice. Okay, that's what I was missing. That naked single is really important. And then this is a 1, 6 pair, but the 1, 7 pair tells us this can't be 1, so that's 6 and 1. Okay, this can't be 1 because of the 1, 7 pair. That puts 1 down here. So this is 2, 3, 4. Down here we have a pair. 1, 2, 3, 4. We need a 5 and a 9. This 5 tells us the order. That's 9, that's 5. That gives us the 7 and the 9 here. Very nice. Okay. I think we are doing well now. What are these digits? We need 1, 3, 4, 6. None of these can be 1. So these are 3, 4, 6. But I think they can be any of those. The 6 is in one of these two. Okay, where do we go from here? This row, maybe? It's down to 4 digits. I also just got some digits. Maybe I can follow up on those. But let's start with this row. We need a 1, 3, 4, 6. Everything's worth marking. I see this 3, 4 here. I see this 1. I see this 3. So 1, 3, 4, 6. We clean up the 3, 4, and the 1. So what is next? Maybe scanning this band. Let's see. The 3 and the 6, or probably things scanning into this box is helpful. So like the 2 1s. What's a 1 in one of these two? The 4s we already have. The 6s we already have. The 9s we did not get the 9s. So 9's in one of those two. Let's look at this row, which is down to 3 digits, and this cell seems to be limited. We have 1. We need a 2. 2, 6, no, 2, 7, 8. 2, 7, 8. This can't be 2, 8. So this is a naked 7. We're left with a 2, 8 pair here. 2, 5, 7, 8. Can't be 7, 8. So this is 2, 5. So 7 in this box then has to go here. Over here we have 4, 5, 8. This one's not 5. I guess I could fill, let me think about it at least. We need 1, 2, 5, 9. This can't be 2, 5, or 9, so this is a naked 1. So these are down to 2, 5, 9. That's not a 2, so that 2 there. Okay. Making progress. I feel like we're close. But there might be like one more thing to find. Probably. Let's see, I scanned that band. What about this band? Maybe scanning into this box could be helpful. The 2s, 3, 7. The 7s do scan in. It's a 7 down here. 5. Okay, we do have these 2 5s looking in. Any 5s up here? No. Okay. One of those 2. So this cell's not 5, 6. Yeah, I think this one might be limited. It could be 1. It can't be 2, 3. It could be 4. It's not 5, 6, 7, 8. It could be 9. Wow, that's actually more than I thought. 1, 4, 9. If it couldn't be 9, we'd have a 1, 4, 8 triple. But basically what I'm saying is 9's one of these 2. So we'll mark that. Yeah, what about vertically? Anything of note? We got the 1 here. Ah, that is actually quite useful. These 2 1s look down into this box, so that's a hidden 1 in the box. Oh no, it's 5 digits left. The 6 looking down puts a 6 somewhere here. That points up along with this 6, putting a 6 here. In fact, this is just 5, 6, 9. And this 5, 9 tells us this is a naked 6. Oh, and this 9 tells us this is 5 and this is 9. Okay, I'll take it. 2, 5, 2, 8, 4, 5, 8, 4, 8. Oh, okay, so this 6 actually keeps going. That's a 2 and that's a 6. That places 2 in this box, leaving a 3, 4 pair behind. This triple, we have 1, 2, we need 3, 7, 8. Nothing. As far as I can tell. 3, 7, 8. Okay, not seeing anything with that. 3, 4, 6. I feel like there should be something to find here. What about this column? 3, 4, 7, 8. These can't be 8. So these are 3, 4, 7. Okay, so 3, 7, and 8 makes this a naked 4. That's an 8. Let's clean all this up. This is 2, 5, and 4. Okay, there's more to clean up than I can do at once. 2, 8, and 5 here. That's not an 8. Down here we get the 1. This 5 not being here means 5 is here. Oops, let's just make that a big digit. All right. It's not a 4. That's not an 8. Okay. 3, 7, 3, 4. Okay, we fizzled out a little bit, but this row only has 2 digits remaining, the 6 and the 9. I don't think it's resolved. Oh, no, it is, the 6. Okay, so that's 9, that's 6, that's 3. Okay, clean all this up. This is 1, 4, 6. This is not a 6. This is a pair. And I know it involves 7. 7 and 9. Oh, this 9 tells us the order. That's 7, that's 9. We get the 3 here. We get 4 and 3 here. Okay. Let's see. Down here, this, what gave us this 4? This 4 here? All right, so that's 6, 3, and 4. We get our 4, 1, and 6. 1, 8, and 4. We get our 7, 1, 7, 8, and we're done. All right, took me a little bit. We were really gated by some naked singles today, especially this 9 in the center. I don't know if it's a naked single right away. Is it? 1, 2. It's not a naked single right away. It sees 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7 from the start. So you do have, oh, and 8. So it is just 3-9 from the start. So as soon as you get the 3, looking into it, I forget which 3 it was, that does make it a naked 9. So interesting. All right, bit of a sneaky one there. So yeah, let me know how you did, and if you enjoyed this, why not leave a like, subscribe, and a kind comment below.